The pancreas is a small but mighty organ. It sits behind your stomach, playing a crucial role in digestion and blood sugar control. When we eat, our bodies break down carbohydrates into glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar that serves as the body's primary energy source. The pancreas steps in to regulate how glucose enters and gets used by our cells. It does this by producing and releasing important hormones, insulin and glucagon. These hormones act like messengers, telling your body how to handle glucose levels in the bloodstream. Proper blood sugar control is vital for our health. Too much glucose circulating in the blood can damage organs over time, while too little can deprive our cells of the energy they need to function. Within the pancreas lie clusters of cells called the islets of Langerhans. These islets are like tiny control centers, responsible for producing and releasing insulin and glucagon. Think of them as sensors constantly monitoring your blood sugar levels. The islets contain two main types of cells, alpha cells and beta cells. Beta cells are responsible for producing insulin, while alpha cells produce glucagon. These cells work in tandem to maintain blood glucose balance. When your blood sugar rises after a meal, beta cells release insulin. Conversely, if blood sugar drops too low, alpha cells release glucagon. Insulin and glucagon work in opposite ways to regulate blood glucose. Insulin is often called the storage hormone. When released, it acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter. Once inside, cells can use glucose for energy or store it for later use. This process effectively lowers the amount of sugar circulating in your blood. Glucagon, on the other hand, is the releasing hormone. When blood sugar levels dip, glucagon signals the liver to break down stored glycogen, a form of glucose, and release it into the bloodstream. This delicate hormonal dance ensures a steady supply of energy for your body's cells. However, problems arise when this balance is disrupted, as seen in diabetes. Section 4. Diabetes. When sugar control goes awry. Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by the body's inability to properly regulate blood sugar levels. This can happen due to insufficient insulin production or the body's cells becoming resistant to insulin's effects. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys beta cells in the pancreas. This leads to little or no insulin production. Type 2 diabetes, the more common form, develops when the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects, and the pancreas can't keep up with the demand for insulin. Section 5. Managing diabetes. Lifestyle and medication. Managing diabetes effectively is crucial to prevent serious health complications. Treatment approaches vary depending on the type and severity of the condition. Lifestyle modifications are often the first line of defense, especially for type 2 diabetes. These include healthy diet, choosing foods low in carbohydrates and sugars, focusing on fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity. Weight management. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly improve blood sugar control. Medications, including insulin therapy, are often necessary. Insulin injections or pumps deliver insulin directly into the bloodstream, mimicking the role of a functioning pancreas. Section 6. The future of insulin genetic engineering. Advancements in medicine have led to the development of genetically engineered insulin, also known as human insulin. This type of insulin is created in labs using recombinant DNA technology, producing insulin identical to what our bodies make. Genetically engineered insulin offers several advantages over older, animal-derived insulin. For example, its purity. It's a purer form of insulin, reducing the risk of allergic reactions. Another advantage is its predictability. It's absorbed more predictably by the body, improving blood sugar control. A third advantage is its availability. It's widely available and often preferred for its benefits. The development of genetically engineered insulin has revolutionized diabetes care, improving the lives of millions living with the condition.